In order to present your content to your audience, there are different options available. So over here on the top right hand side, you can see that present is an option. The shortcut key for it is Ctrl F5. If I were to click on this, what happens is that it goes full screen and then you can start presenting. You can use the arrow keys to go through the slides and then present it easily. So this is one way to present. Let's escape out of this by pressing the escape key. I'm going to go on to the first slide. If you want to access the other presentation options, you simply go over here onto the right hand side where you see a little triangular icon. Once you click on it, you have more options. So if you were to go over here in present from beginning, this is what you have just like that. So no matter which slide you're on, it just goes full screen, and this is the default one. The other option you have is the presenter view. So if you have dual monitors, let's say for example, you're looking at your laptop screen, you're connected to a projector, then you can use the presenter view. So what happens is that you have two windows. So you have this window, you have the presenter view, and then you can just drag this out towards the projector window. So that is something you can do as well. So let me just close this out and then escape out of this. So that is the second way of presentation. And the third way is through presenting on another screen. So I have a Chromecast receiver connected on over here. So if you have any Chromecast receiving device, then what you can do is you can present on another screen as well wirelessly. Simply click on it and then the Chromecast devices will be available right here. You can simply click on it, and what happens is that it'll cast the screen towards the Chromecast receiver. So that way you can wirelessly cast your presentation as well, which is a recent addition. So that is how present options work inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.